Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you all are enjoying your day. In this video you will see recycling material craft projects. This can be used for assignments, exhibitions or creative write-ups. This recycling material craft project is a unique blend of creativity. It involves transforming everyday waste materials into a beautiful and functional decorative item, showcasing how we can give new life to things we usually throw away. In this video, a variety of recyclable materials such as plastic bottles, old newspapers, cardboard, tin cans, glass jars, fabric scraps, and bottle caps have been skillfully repurposed. The central idea behind this craft is to reduce waste by reusing materials that are readily available in every household. Instead of discarding these items, they are thoughtfully assembled to create art, demonstrating the principle of reduce, reuse, recycle. All craft is made from old materials. If you watch my full video till end, you will see amazing and very pretty old material craft transforming forgotten treasures into something beautiful. This craft uses discarded or old materials like newspaper, cardboards, plastic bottles, and more to create eco-friendly, artistic, and functional pieces. It's all about giving waste a second life, blending creativity with sustainability to make something truly unique and inspiring. Turn yesterday's news into today's treasure. Rolled and woven newspapers from a sturdy and attractive basket, perfect for storing small items. This eco-friendly craft highlights creativity and sustainability by giving waste paper a new life. Plastic bottle planters. Empty plastic bottles are transformed into cute and colorful planters. With a bit of cutting, painting, and planting, these planters become a cheerful way to grow herbs, flowers, or succulents, reducing plastic waste while greening your space. Old tin cans are cleaned, painted, and punched with decorative holes to create beautiful lanterns. When lit with candles or fairy lights, they cast magical patterns ideal for cozy decor or garden gifts. Worn out jeans are cut and stitched into stylish coasters. The strong fabric provides durability while the craft reflects a rustic handmade charm, a perfect blend of fashion and function from discarded clothes. These are very easy to make. Broken or old CDs are cut into small pieces and arranged to create shimmering mosaic designs. Whether used on photo frames, mirrors, or wall art, the result is a dazzling upcycled decoration that reflects light and imagination. Used egg cartons are shaped, painted, and assembled into decorative flowers. This simple craft is perfect for kids and adults alike, turning a common waste item into colorful, long lasting blossoms. I really hope, guys, you really enjoyed my video. If you have any question or if you have any request related to this video or another video, please let me know in comment section. In my next video I will give you many other different and unique ideas related to craft. So keep supporting me and keep watching my videos. In my next video I will give you many other different and unique ideas related to craft. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. God bless you guys. Have a beautiful day.